So, what's going on, everybody? Bit of another change of scenery. I'm currently located at what we call around here the Tinker Mill. In the town I live in Colorado, the Tinker Mill is kind of just an establishment of a bunch of different creative spaces, basically. So we've got our welding bay, our blacksmithing bay, there's pottery inside, there's a machine shop, stained glass, jewelry, laser cutters, a whole bunch of 3D printers, pretty much anything creative as a creator space you can think of, we've got it here. I'm here right now because I'm about to teach a welding class in about an hour. But in the meantime, kind of want to show you guys what I've been working on recently. It's really cool. So this is for a man that does the tattoos. He did pretty much all the ones on my lower forearm here. Shout out Austin at Rainbow Demon down in Denver. And this is gonna be like a custom, pretty much armrest that'll sit next to his table. Whenever he's tattooing, you need to hang a limb off. So it'll get a nice little pad on top, and then right now what I'm gonna work on is kind of like a tightening knob for this sleeve that'll allow this to raise and lower. And where I work right now, there's a really cool kind of surplus place next to it. So I found this iron bar that has been kind of formed to have this really unique texture on the outsides. So I cut 2 pieces of it, and I'm kind of gonna pinch it together and make a little, oh, if I can actually pinch it together, make a little X out of it. So it'll look something like this. Makes it really easy to tighten, loosen, kind of adjust. And I'm gonna do that by TIG welding it together and then kind of sand it, make it look all pretty, but still rustic, try and leave some of the rust spots in there. And this is just gonna be clear coated, so it's not gonna get any paint or anything like that. It's gonna be pretty industrial looking, should match the vibe of the shop pretty well and look awesome.